Hello, I'm Parag. You're getting this message because you've been in touch with us in the past. Maybe one of the guys we're coaching has referred you, or you went to one of our seminars or webinars. And look, if what we do is no longer of interest to you or you don't need it, ignore this and let us know even better. If, however, you are still maybe interested in exploring how you can grow, how you can scale, how you can maximize the potential for you and your business, then I am running a 1 hour online event, and it is a one-off. I really don't do this at all very often because I don't have the time. But I am running a 1 hour event where I'm going to take you through how do we do this? How do we grow businesses at an average of 34% per annum? How do we scale them? How do we do so without the personal cost of the owners so that it doesn't overwhelm them and take over their entire lives? How on earth do we do that? What is this business operating system that we install into businesses? I mean, that does it takes a couple of years, but what is that system? I'm going to go through the 15, 20 components of that system on the 29th. I'm going to take you through our goal setting systems, time management systems, sales systems, recruitment systems, management systems, etc., etc. What are these systems? How do we do this? It's going to give you an overview of our process. It's going to allow you to see maybe where you're strong, where you need to work on, and it's going to allow you to see whether you think you need to explore this again with us or not, or whether you do that yourself, or whether you're good and you're happy where you are. The only thing I would say is if you're a business owner and you're happy where you are and you just, that's it, this is not for you. So please don't do that. Come along if that's where you are. But if you want to explore this and you want to see how you can take things forward over the next few years, all you need to do is register on the Eventbrite page and you're good to go for the 29th. See you there.